Hi everyone, welcome to Tungabadra Networks. Previously we implemented OSPF Multi-Area Real-Time project, right, by using these 5 routers. So actually these 3 are L3 switches. We by giving no switch port and IP routing command, we enabled we used these routers L3 switches as routers. So I am going to implement iBGP between these routers. So I have given host name for these routers as Hyderabad, JDK, Karnool, Anandapur and Bangalore. Now I will implement iBGP between this Hyderabad router and this Bangalore. So guys, if you see here, this is the topology. Now I will implement iBGP between this Hyderabad router and Bangalore router. So if we configure BGP within the same autonomous system number, that is called iBGP. And iBGP established the neighborship with TCP protocol with port number 179. Now I have remote access for these 2 routers. Now I have log in through remotely Hyderabad router and also for Bangalore router. We will configure BGP in this Hyderabad router. Config. Further the command is router BGP and the administrative distance value is 100. Now I have to advertise the network 1.1 and the mask is submit mask is 255.255 and we have to give the neighbor manually here neighbor 5.5 and the remote AS is 100. In OSPF the neighborship is established by sending allow packets automatically and the neighborship is established, but here we have to give the neighbor manually. So our neighbor we have given success. So give one command here neighbor 5.5 update source, whatever the loopback number we have taken, that number we have to give here loopback 0. We are giving this command because if you ping from here, the physical IP will be the source IP 12.1 and iBGP will establish this neighborship through loopback IPs only. So if we ping here, the physical IP will be the 12.1, so we will not get the reply from Bangalore router. So I have to giving this command. If we give this command, the source IP loopback IP like 1.1. That's why I am giving this command. Now the configurations are done in Hyderabad router. Same like this we also configure in Bangalore router. So this is the Bangalore router. Configuring router BGP no system number 100 and the network for this is 5.5 mask 255.255.255.255 and the neighbor is 1.1.1 remote AS 100. Here also we have to give that command update source command neighbor 1.1 and the update source loopback 0. Configurations are done guys. Let's ping from our router to ping 5.5. It's successfully pinging guys. We can also ping for source ping 5.5 source loopback 0. For source loopback 0 because here source we are taking 1.1 right, so it's also this is also successfully pinging. Now let's check BGP table. Show IP BGP. Here if you see it means internal means we have configured iBGP, right, that's why it is showing I and this star mark indicates the valid path and this greater than symbol is best path. So we can also check in Bangalore router show IP BGP. So also we can see 2 routes. Also we can check BGP summary. Do show BGP summary. This will show you the neighbor. This is the neighbor for Bangalore router and also for Hyderabad router it will show 5.5. Let's see in Hyderabad router show IP BGP summary. Yes guys, this is the neighbor for Hyderabad router. Now you have successfully implemented iBGP between the Hyderabad router and Bangalore router. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.